Almost every single new tool that I see launched on Reddit or Product Hunt is basically the same thing. Seriously, it's like copy and paste with a slightly different logo. And sure, maybe it's naive to think my take on this isn't unique, but hey, it's not slowing down anytime soon. Let's get real for a second. The smartest models in the world are an API call away, yet your tool, which taps into this brilliance, isn't connecting the dots in a meaningful way. Why? Because most of the tools are just wrappers with no substance. Think about it. What good is a stool that only has two legs? It might stand for a second if you balance it right, but it's unstable and impractical. The two legs here are your basic front end and your OpenAI key. Impressive? Useful? Barely. Look, I'm not saying your app isn't good. Maybe it scrapes some websites, generates some content, or makes some images. That's cool, but is it really enough? How did you even set it up? Was it a make.com workflow? A bubble app? A simple form? And what are you charging users who could switch tools faster than you could say deploy? Let's talk about that third leg. Most tools have two legs, a front end and an API connection. But without that third leg, an AI agent, you're just building something that's destined to topple over. Let me give you a real example. I once built a lead gen tool for personal injury attorneys. They'd input a potential client's details and boom, an AI agent would handle everything from booking appointments to screening and onboarding. Now, technically, this wasn't just software because the AI agents worked like virtual receptionists, handling all the tedious tasks seamlessly. My first launch, a little rough around the edges, but it worked. And by the second launch, everything was fully operational and smooth. That's what I call building a software company without even leaving my office chair. And the secret, it wasn't just creating another tool, it was creating a complete system that solved a real problem. Here's the deal. AI agents solve your three-leg problem. They're not just automating repetitive tasks, they're creating real-world value by saving your client valuable time and money. This elevates your tool from basic to essential. Stop balancing that stool on two legs and start building with three. Make AI agents your third leg. They're the glue that holds everything together, turning basic functionality into seamless, scalable systems that clients can't live without. Now, I hope I've pushed you in the right direction for your next AI project. Let's keep learning, keep building, and keep those tools out of the landfill. We're all going to make it.